So tell me if this sounds familiar. You got 3 coffees into your system, 10 tabs open, jumping from Illustrator to Photoshop to After Effects, and somehow zero progress. You're busy all day, but the time you collapse into your bed, you're like, wait, what did I actually do today? Scroll Pinterest? Organize Google Drive? Rename that rendered file 17 times? Yeah, that's hustle culture for you. Lot of motion, very little movement. Hustle culture gurus feel like that one relative that overstayed their welcome, always barging in, telling you to work harder, faster and longer, like you are a machine into an eternal factory. Grind, grind, grind. Sleep is for the losers, breaks are for the weak, they say. And here we are, caffeinated, burnout, guilty about resting, and still somehow behind everything. It's funny how we build all these apps and systems to save time, and now nobody has any time. Productivity has become a race, except there is no finish line, just more running on the hamster wheel. So here's a thought. What if the real secret of getting more done is to slowing down? Welcome to the strange, rebellious, slightly poetic world of slow productivity. The world will tell you, pick your calendar, fill every slot, maximize efficiency. Every hour must justify its existence. If you are not on the grind, are you even serious about your life? It's this weird obsession, life as a spreadsheet, more task, more output, more what exactly? A gold medal for burnout? But slow productivity flips the table over. It says, hey, maybe less is actually more. So I started experimenting with this slow productivity method, built a 3-part system, fewer tasks but done intentionally. And suddenly I was actually finishing things, not just starting 15 side projects and abandoning them like an orphaned Google Doc. What I learned painfully is this: productivity isn't about doing everything simultaneously. It's about doing the right thing at the right time at the right pace. Because sprinting through your life doesn't make it meaningful. It just makes it blurry. So let's fix this hamster wheel of a situation. So here's what I have been experimenting with: a slow, analog, pen and paper system that focuses me to think less like a robot and more like a human. The night before ritual. Look, the mornings are chaotic. You woke up with the phone's screaming alarm. Your brain is loading like 2009's Windows PC, and the society expects you to do good decisions? Seriously? So instead of cramming the morning with productivity pressure, I do my planning before bed. It's like laying out your clothes the night before. Tomorrow is already dressed and waiting for you to jump right into it. I list 3 or 4 main tasks that actually matter next day. By the morning, I already have a direction. I wake up not asking, what should I do? But which one should I start first? It absolutely kills the decision fatigue. The daily one-pager. This is my favorite part. Every day gets one single page. Not 3 apps, 5 to-do list, 10 sticky notes, one single page. What goes on it? Well, the status of 3 or 4 tasks that I decided last night. Side quests like calls, edits, and random stuff that life throws at you like a flying brick. Notes obviously, ideas, quotes, crumbs of thoughts, fancy. And of course, doodles, scribbles, and a healthy dose of chaos. This one page becomes a snapshot of the day, like a diary but less emotional damage. And by the end of the week, I have a stack of my brain's footprint. Organic, messy, but authentic. It's like holding up proof that you actually existed and did things, instead of living inside a screen like a sad hologram. Weekly and monthly maps. Daily pages are great, but you know how weeks just fly. It's like you blinked and it's already Saturday afternoon, and you're wondering, did I actually skip 5 days? So I made a zoom out ritual. Weekly maps. At the end of the week, I flip through my one-pagers and ask, what drained me? What actually energizes me? Where did my time actually go? What did I complete without realizing it? It's insane how many nothing weeks are actually full of progress. Just not the loud kinds that hustle culture likes to brag about. Monthly maps. This is where the patterns show up. Every month, I look at the bigger arc. What direction I was moving in, what themes kept repeating, what projects actually grew, what deserves more focus next month. It's not about did I crush it, more about did I move in the direction I care about. And that's right there is the whole point. The analog rhythm slows me down, forces me to reflect and reorientate, and ironically, that's where speed shows up, because clarity is faster than chaos. Construct your creative work life like a landscape, not as a conveyor belt. So here's the challenge. Stop sprinting on the hustle treadmill. Ditch the race. Burn the hustle script. Grab a notebook, a pen, and give slow productivity a shot. Write a one-pager tonight. Set your 3 or 4 tasks and watch how further you can actually go when you stop running in a circle. Because life isn't a to-do list, it's a story. And the best stories, they are never rushed.